Hi guys, how are you all? As you can see, I'm in a real good mood today because it's my birthday month. I'm really very excited that what I'm going to get in my birthday. Don't really know. Like, I might not get anything, but I cannot control my excitement. Anyways, so today I would talk about one more my favorite Indian skincare brand. Now, if you ask me that do you love skincare or makeup? I would say both, but I prefer skincare because when you have a good skin, you can do a flawless best and you can look flawless. So that's the most important thing, to know your skin, to value your skin and replenish your skin. So today I would talk about a brand which I absolutely love, that is Scent Botanica. This is an Indian brand and it's completely natural, and all the products from this brands are free from silicone, paraben, mineral oil and any kind of toxins. Now this is an important issue to understand for our own skin and own value. Okay, whenever you are going to purchase any kind of skincare products, please do check the ingredients and what it is saying on the label, on the key ingredients, because ingredients are the real important thing to know before you use that product. So today I would talk about two products by Scent Botanica. One is the Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask and this Vitamin C with Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Night Cream. Now let's talk about this product. This is Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask, and this is, you can see that this is the carton box, and let me show you the actual tube out of it. So you can see it comes in a tube. This is a 100-gram pack and this is really very handy because when like wherever you are traveling, you can just take it in your bag and you can travel. This product has a coffee powder and vitamin E, and it has lemon peel extracts, and it is a peel off mask. As you know, it's a normal regular peel off mask, but it has granules of the coffee, and for that reason it's very special because you can instantly see that after effect of using this product. How you need to use this: just wash your face thoroughly and apply generously as an even layer all over your face and wait for 15 minutes. Let it dry completely and start peeling from one side of the face and end it off. Okay, do not just peel it so quickly, if because it can be harsh to your skin. And one more thing I would say, why I use this after makeup, because I feel whenever I use this after removing my makeup, it instantly recharges my skin and it gives that brightness, and also I feel that it locks all the moisture. As it has vitamin E and lemon peel extracts, it's very soothing and locks in all the lost moistures into the skin. And after that, when you apply your moisturizer or the serum, it just soaks into your skin deeply. So that's how it's effective. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid brightening night cream. So this is the carton box and here is the actual packaging of it. So this comes in a glass jar, and this product looks real luxurious. It feels a little heavy. I really love a good looking skincare product. I don't know, it has some impression on my mind. Now let's talk about the ingredients of this product. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, argan oil and shea butter, and also it has green tea extracts. So this cream is enriched with antioxidants and it's really good to keep your skin looking younger, brighter and beautiful. Texture of this product is not a thicker one like a normal regular night cream is. It just quickly absorbs to your skin and gives a healthy glow. And I absolutely love this product because the fragrance of it's like little citrusy and little flowery too, and it's very mild. The product like whenever I am using, I really don't prefer those products after application which feels a little tingling onto my skin. Rather, when I apply this cream onto my skin, it feels like wow, what a soothness onto my skin. So that's really important. And I apply this along with the Sen Botanica vitamin C and retinol serum. If you don't have that serum, that's okay, you can also use this normally, but I would recommend that if you want a proper skincare, then please do include your serums into your skincare, because serums helps these creams, soaks into the pores and prepares your skin quite well for the moisturizer. So that's the thing you need to understand. Now, how to use this product? It's very simple. Just take a peanut size amount, warm it a bit into your fingertips, and then just gently press it and massage it upwards motion onto your face, all over your face, and also the neck portion. And the next day when you will just get up, you will see a beautiful supple soft skin. And like I'm using this product about a month now, along with the serums I'm again telling, I have felt a huge difference onto my skin. I had a lot of acne scars onto my skin going on, and now it's not flawless, but trust me, I can barely see those scars onto my skin. And one more point, I'm not facing any acne issues because of the right skincare routine. One more tip I would love to share, that 15 to 20% of vitamin C into the skincare is the best effective, and when it is combined with hyaluronic acid or ferulic acid, it will show you the magic wonders to your skin. Okay, so keep these points into your mind whenever you are going to purchase the vitamin C products. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video have helped you in a way that you get little information about vitamin C. And these two products by Sen Botanica, one is the vitamin C night cream and this peel off mask. Give them a try. I will be sharing the link of these two products into my description. Please check that out, and if you want to try them out, don't get late, get them as soon as possible and try them, because these two products are absolutely amazing. So guys, after using this, if you liked it or if you haven't liked it, please let me know, and do follow me on my Instagram. DM me over there if you have any queries, or you can even comment here. I am super active on my Instagram and nowadays on YouTube too. So please show your love, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and get a lot of skincare and beauty tips. That's all, guys. Love you. Take care.